Okay, nami ngicela ngiphi number yakho because ngiyazifuna ngini.
Uzoyenza number yami.
No, sobona futhi senzani.
Uzwana nabantu abathi bazobona, you know.
Oh, it's all our face. So this is Yano from Yano Lyrics. It's like Prof Star, shoot some lyrics live. Ngiphethe usimi. Smart Tata. Sabona sisam.
Hello, Sawan Njani.
Ngaphila. Sijabule ukuba nawe lana.
Thank you for having me.
Ufila kanjani ukuba ne-hit? Injani feeling ngiyokuchazela.
Well,
Small voice ni like ubona ama charts lapha na uma number what.
Angeke ngithi kumnandi uku-eda kwi-catalog of hits.
Cozy.
You know.
Because maningi ama hits obvious.
Maningi, God has been amazing.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi le ngoma yenzeke kanjani.
Yeah.
Collaboration yakho no Yams like abantu I don't think abantu were expecting and then it's my phuma something amazing. So yenzeke kanjani le ngoma?
To be honest, Nathi besinga expect, but we knew that we made an amazing song.
Yeah.
So one DM like 2 years ago, probably. Ngaphendula, and then waphinda futhi. Oh, I gave him my number, and then sometime this year around June, one texter, and I was like, yeah, vele ngisemandleni studio, and then I went there. Yeah, we did it. I actually wrote a different song before that. Then I was like, no, man, this needs to be a love song, and that's how you try.
Okay, nami ngicela ngiphi number yakho because ngiyazifuna ngini.
Uzoyenza number yami.
No, sobona futhi senzani.
Angizwani nabantu abathi bazobona, you know.
Okay, no, it's fine. So so le ngoma leyo yenzile is it something odlule kuyona noma bukhulumela umngani wakho oseduze?
I think as a storyteller, it's so beautiful because kune blurred line of fiction and a personal experience, and then a universal language. So ngingasho ukuthi it is something that I've been through before, but when I tell it, I want to tell it in a way ukuthi if now sake wadlula kona and it hurt you even more than me, you know, it just makes sense to everyone.
Ikhona into esingayilindele kuwena before unyaka uphele?
Well, uphelile manje unyaka, but I'm definitely working on my project, third chapter of Itugela Ferry. It's coming out early next year, so I'm so excited for that. It's going to be a beautiful project.
Obana bakhona nje kuyo i-project yakho?
I can't share that because mhlambe kunengoma is close to 500. Ngizosuke ngisho amagama, and then come next year sengikwenye indawo I'm creating other songs and whatnot. Let me just say it's a surprise, but it's going to be a beautiful album njengoba ngisho. Yeah.
Asebonga kakhulu kufisa lonke okuhle career yakho. Thank you so much. Shout out to Yana Lyrics.
Shout out to Yana Lyrics.
Thank you.